Right, start with 3 carrots or 4 carrots, doesn't really matter. Cut off the ends, make sure they are washed, and we're going to slice them thin with a peeler. So you get these wonderful strips. Keep peeling until you've got almost nothing left. And then when it's too thin to peel, go ahead and feed the scraps to your dog.
All weekends.
Continue peeling until you're all done. We're going to make the marinade. Start with 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, maybe about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix it all up. We're going to add some soy sauce, about a 1/4 cup. Blend it up, and this is your marinade. Throw it over the sliced carrots and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. You want to coat everything. You can actually store this in the fridge for as long as you like, but usually about 30 minutes gets it nice and juicy and soaked in. And then you can air fry this, put this in the oven, or whatever tastes good for you. You can actually just eat it just like this. It tastes really good. It's like a delicious dressing. But should you want to crisp it up, throw it into the air fryer or the oven in individual strips. If you are patient, you can also just throw the whole bunch in if you're not patient, and then you get some chewy bits and some crunchy bits. So there's really no wrong way to do this at this point. I did separate this into strips, and then you air fry it on about 300 for about 10 minutes. And you get these crunchy, delicious bits of carrot. You can put this in your sandwich. You can eat it just for a snack. You can throw it on top of pasta. It's just really good.